So friends, November is going to be a very auspicious month because the two important benefic planets, Jupiter is going to be exalted, which represents the divine blessings, and Venus is going to be strengthened in its own sign in the Libra, which represents the comfort and happiness which we get from the material things like buying a vehicle, buying luxurious things, and even for certain people buying their apartment, building their house. So now comes the question that how it is going to be impacting, influencing the fixed signs Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and the Aquarius. So guys, it is going to be majorly impacting you in the areas of the investments, in the areas of the collaboration, in the areas of the improvement in your work condition, and for certain people for higher learning as well. Talking about for the Taurus. So guys, for you people, there is definitely going to be this month improvement in your work conditions. Many people will get their employment will get finalized, and also for important collaborative opportunities. For the Leo, guys, this month, this dual combo of the Jupiter and Venus will do the damage control in your relationship if it has taken a hit in the past couple of months. It's a very good time for like gains through investments or foreign travel. When we talk about for the Scorpions, so guys, for the Scorpions, this is actually going to be the time for the higher learning and some sort of experiencing luxury in the long distance travel. And for the Aquarius, guys, this is going to be a very beneficial time for the employment related matters, confirmation for your employment and confirmation for any of the visa, immigration related concerns, and overall auspiciousness in your life.